Hi, my name is Sam Fitzgerald and I'm the Director of Cloud Sales over at VAST. During this time, I'd like to discuss why organizations are choosing to partner with a managed service provider, also known as an MSP, on their public cloud initiatives. As you may know, the public cloud providers like AWS, Azure, and Google Cloud Platform offer organizations a flexible, scalable, secure, and reliable computing model. However, managing a public cloud requires specific skill sets that can be complex and time-consuming, which makes partnering with the MSP an essential component to a successful cloud journey. One of the biggest advantages of working with the MSP is cost optimization. According to a study by the Everest Group, organizations that work with the MSP can save up to 30% on their public cloud spend. MSPs can identify opportunities for right-sizing compute instances, cleaning up old data that's no longer needed, researching new instance types for cost savings opportunities, implementing and monitoring savings plans in reserve instances, and making sure resources are turned off when they're not in use. In addition to cost savings, MSPs provide organizations a higher level of security. According to a survey by IDG, 96% of organizations that work with the MSP for public cloud environments feel more secure than if they manage the public cloud themselves. Another benefit of working with the MSP is access to a broader range of cloud services and tools. According to a report by Gartner, organizations that work with the MSP have access to a more comprehensive set of cloud services and tools than those that manage the public cloud environment themselves. MSPs help organizations filter through the options so they choose the right solutions for their business objectives. By partnering with MSP, organizations can focus on their core business priorities while offloading tasks and responsibilities of their public cloud to the experts. Focusing on MSP that can offer co-managed services rather than complete outsourcing genuinely adds a valuable extension to your team. When it comes to finding the right MSP for your organization, it's important to focus on the processes and procedures to ensure they will make your IT staff's life easier.